Run-off review of the Hive body assembly machine. Operator console has 6 buttons. Upper left is a release reset. If the machine does not unclamp for some odd reason, or you have to abort the cycle in between, you hit the release reset, it'll unclamp the product, operator can remove the product. Emergency stop, push to start, light goes red. It's a 3-position e-stop, so not only do you have to pull it back, you have to pull it up and reset it. You'll hear a click and the machine will reset itself. We have dual fastener reload lights. So you've got your horizontal fasteners and your vertical fasteners. When the machine cycle counter gets to 90 fasteners, the light will start flashing, prompting the operator that it is running low on fasteners. When the light goes solid, the machine is going to stop production. It's telling the operator that it is out of fasteners. The operator needs to reload fasteners into each of the tools. Hold the light for 3 seconds, the light will reset itself, counter inside the PLC will reset itself, the machine can resume production. We have 2 material sensors on the machine, one on the lower right, one onto the lower left. This is going to let the machine know that we have new product in the machine and that it is safe to fire. If one or either sensor is not made, the machine cannot cycle the machine, or the operator cannot cycle the machine. Dual palm buttons on the sides of the box. Once the product is loaded, both buttons have to be cycled within approximately ½ second of each other in order to initiate the machine's cycle. The machine is going to place a fastener, drive up, size the box for whether it's your short product or your tall product, and then reapply fasteners going back down toward the minimum. I will start off with a small product. When the operator loads the box, they need to ensure that the small tongue at the top of the box is actually resting on the rest surface. This is for fastener spacing to ensure that we hit the correct position. Light is orange on the left, light is orange on the right. We have, the machine sees that it's a new box. 2-hand trip, cycle to production. Machine clamps horizontally, clamps vertically. Cycle's complete. Operator has to remove the box. We can do the next cycle. Again, run a short box. And one last short box. Fasteners centered along the height of the joint, centered along the width of the joint. Now we're going to run 3 tall boxes. Same process. Fasteners along the length, fasteners along the side. fasteners along the length of the box again.